Alright, this is our attempt at weaning. The red boy seems to be licking the plate. Well, the spoon and then the plate. Whoops. There you go. Got the hang of that. Where's his sister? Alright, come here. Come here, yogurt face. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. There you go. There you go. There's the little girl. And the gray boy doesn't want any part of that. He wants mama still. Oh. And you're over here. You've mastered the plate already. You're ahead of the game. There you go. Come on. And there's Gray Boy. He's sulking. He wants mama. He's going to be a hard sell. Come on. There you go. There you go. Good. There. All right.